Okay, I mentioned on Friday we are going to begin looking at some DBQs. I know this is sometimes scary for some. Um, I personally like the DBQs. I think it, by using documents to answer questions, I think it points you in the right direction. I really like those. So here's how you're going to find the DBQs that we are going to be doing. If you go to Google, type in AP Central, you are right there. First site that pops up should be AP Central, the College Board. You're going to click on that, and boom, you're right there. Right here, you're going to find AP courses and exams. If you click on that, first option is course and exam pages. Course exam pages, we're going to find these questions, so you're going to click on that right there. Scroll down to whatever AP class you're looking for. We are indeed AP United States History. Hopefully everybody knew that. If not, we've got bigger issues. Here is the AP US History page. I'm going to give you some different resources. What we're looking for is the exam. So you're going to click on where it says the exam right there. And now it's going to give you a rundown of what the exam format is. We've talked about this a little bit. Multiple choice, writing, all of that. If you keep on scrolling down to the very bottom, it's going to say 2019 free response questions. It's going to list all the free response questions students got last year. Also, scoring guidelines, how the graders actually looked at those free response questions, how they scored those. If you want to take it a step further, you can also see like some sample responses. Within those sample responses, it's going to show you what a really good one looks like, one that got all the points, one that was mediocre, got most of the points, not all of them, and then they're going to show you a pretty lousy example, one that didn't score many points at all. If that's something you're looking to see. Oops, excuse me. If you go down to where it says practice free response questions, this is going to show you from 2018 to 2017, 16, 15. So again, there's 4 more options to show you free response questions. So if we're looking for a DBQ, which we are, you're going to click on that free response question. And you're looking for DBQ, which stands for document-based question. So right here is our DBQ. The first page is going to show you a list of what they are looking for. Like it mentions, you are supposed to respond to the prompt with any kind of information that you have obtained throughout the class. The ones we are going to answer will be from previous to where we're at currently in the class, so you should have all the information you need to answer that in a nice way. Kind of one of the big things, I know you guys can read, so I'm gonna not go through all these, but you do need to use at least 6 of the documents. That's a thing they want to do. Scroll down a little further, it's going to show you those documents. First, there's the writing prompt, so that's the question you're actually trying to answer. Scroll further down, it's going to show you the documents. Now, most of them are going to be some sort of text, but we could also have political cartoons. They may, sometimes they may use like maps or charts and graphs. They can use anything that would support your stance on whatever the question is. So in further screencasts, I am going to, whatever of these DBQs we choose to use, I am going to go through and I'll make a screencast for each of the documents, just in case anybody has a little, trouble determining what they mean. I'm also going to set up a question and answer page where you guys can discuss amongst yourselves, like, hey, what did document 5 on the 2018 DBQ? What was your take on that? That way everybody can have kind of running dialogue on what they think it means, get a little help before they answer their first DBQ. In the next 3 weeks, we're actually going to try to tackle like 2 of these. I'm guessing week 1 and week 3 is kind of my target at this point, but I'll be in future contact with you what the schedule looks like. Hopefully this is a helpful video and gives you a little insight on how to find the DBQ, how to answer the DBQ. If you have any questions, like I say, reference maybe that question discussion that I post. Other than that, have a great day.